Next, we will create a file and add some text inside it, and then we will create a commit for that code change. So, it need not be a Java file, it need not be a Python file. Even if it is a text file, we will be able to add a commit. So you can do the same process for all your source codes. So I have created a text file, and so just added a line. Now you have a command called git status. If you see the output of this command, git status, see, it is telling that no commits yet, but there is an untracked file, and there is a new file, and there is a change inside that file, which means this file had to be added to a commit. So this git status command helps us to know whether there is no changes after a commit or there is a changes after a commit. If there is a change, you will see something like this.